In the midst of a bustling hospital, there exists a unique world, the operating room, a symphony of precision and professionalism, where every second counts. Here, surgeons, like maestros, lead an orchestra of medical professionals. Gleaming sterilized tools are their instruments, while the human body, a complex masterpiece, is their sheet music. Each incision, a note played with meticulous care. Anesthesiologists, the unsung heroes, control the rhythm, ensuring patient comfort and safety. Nurses, the harmonizing choir, assist and anticipate, their actions choreographed to perfection. The room itself, a stage set for life-changing performances. The operating room, a testament to human resilience and medical advancement. A place of hope, where miracles are a daily occurrence. So, next time you hear operating room, think not of fear, but of this incredible symphony of life. Remember, every beat matters in this rhythm of care.